Stolen secret. Sound literally rearranges matter and your body is next in line. Every frequency you hear is doing something to you right now. Low frequencies, around 20 to 200 hertz, hit your body like a physical vibration. Bass you feel in your chest can slow your heart rate and ground your nervous system. That's why deep drums feel primal. They sync with your body's own rhythm. Then there's 432 hertz, which some call the natural tuning of the universe. People say it feels calming, less jarring than the standard 440 hertz most music uses today. Higher frequencies, like 528 hertz, get called the love frequency, linked to cell repair and stress reduction in some studies. Whether that's science or placebo, your body responds to vibration, period. Now here's where it gets ancient. Remember Jericho in the Bible? Joshua's army marched around the walls blowing trumpets, and after enough vibration and sound, the walls collapsed. Sound, repeated with intention, broke down something physical. That's not just a story, that's frequency and resonance in action. And before David was king, he was just a shepherd boy who played the harp for King Saul. Scripture says when Saul was tormented by dark spirits, David's music would calm him, driving the torment away. Sound was medicine before medicine existed. So next time you press play, know this isn't random. Music is frequency, frequency is energy, and energy moves through your body whether you notice it or not. Choose your soundtrack with intention, because history and science both agree. Sound shapes more than your mood. Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to Infinity Quantum takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.